What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, give you my first impressions on the Galaxy A32. Now, this is a mid-range phone. It costs $300, so it's not like a budget that costs $100 or $200, and it's also not a flagship phone that costs $700 or $800. Anyways, as I'm going over it, if you guys could smash a like button on this video, and if you want to learn more about it as I'm going over it, I'll throw some resource links in both the description and comments. Okay, anyways, let's get it out of the box and see what we got here. So we got the user manual, we got the charger, pretty basic stuff. Now, the first thing you'll notice about this phone is that it's got a pretty big display on it. It's got a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, which is probably going to look really nice once we get it turned on, and it's got an all-glass design. So Gorilla Glass on the front, we got glass on the back. The camera on this is supposed to be amazing as well. So it's got a 64-megapixel back camera on it. We got the 8-megapixel ultra-wide on it and some other cool things. It can also do 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. So, you're kind of getting some of those flagship features in a $300 phone, which is nice. But let's turn it on. Let's get up to the home screen on it. Just bear with me here and let's do this. All right, so I skipped to the home screen, and I got to tell you what, I absolutely love the stock wallpaper on this phone. It's kind of got like the blue and orange going on, but we'll see what other wallpapers come pre-installed on this phone. And I got to tell you what, I really like the orange, kind of like this orange one on the top right. Let me see what else they got here. I don't know what it is, man. It's like an orange slice kind of like wallpaper theme. It almost kind of looks like, but I'm going to set this one. And then the next thing I want to do is kind of just check out some of the, gameplay with this phone. I downloaded F1 Mobile, so we're going to check this game out for the first time. We'll see how loud it is. I do want to say, though, there is a little bit of a notch you guys can kind of see on the bottom of the phone, but for the most part, you do get all the screen. We'll see how this game performs, right? So this is a high graphic game. Just interested to see how the processor can handle it. It's got a MediaTek processor in it. Those can be hit or miss, so we'll see how this does, and let's get into a quick racing match. All right, so as far as my first impressions go with the Galaxy A32, I was happy to see they could play a high graphic game like F1 Mobile without any lag, having a MediaTek processor. I like the all-glass design on this phone. I like the price point at $300 exactly. And, I'm going to be taking some pictures with it and recording some video over the next few days. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, if you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.